Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 unable to establish connection with game server error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So for the first part, what you need to do here is to exit this Steam client. So this is a basic troubleshooting step. So the first thing that you can do is close the Steam client again. So find the Steam icon in the system tray. It is usually located on the right side of your taskbar. So right click on the Steam icon and simply choose exit Steam from the menu. Just like right here as shown in the photo. So after that, just restart your computer. So after exiting Steam, restart your computer. So this also helps to reset any temporary glitches affecting the software. And after doing that, you can also relaunch Steam and Counter-Strike 2. So once your computer is back on, open the Steam again and launch Counter-Strike 2 and check if the connection issue persists. So this method is a quick and effective way to resolve common server connection problems with Steam and Counter-Strike 2. And then next, what you can do is verifying connection, stability, and server status. So to confirm your connection stability, go to the just visit fast.com in your web browser. So this site measures your current internet speed. So a slow or unstable connection can lead to issues in online gaming. And after doing so, what you can do next is verifying and repairing the CS2 game files. So by step guide, this is the step-by-step guide to verify the game files. So first, just open the Steam and then access the game library. So just click onto the library section to view your games and then scroll through your game list to locate the Counter-Strike 2 and then simply right click onto the game title. And after that, select properties from the context menu, and in the properties window, just switch to the local files tab right here. And then after that, in the local files tab, click on to the verify integrity of game files, just like right here shown in the photo. So Steam will start checking your CS2 files, so it will automatically repairs any corrupted or missing elements. So by completing these steps, you enhance the likelihood of resolving the unable to establish connection with game server issue in CS2. So this process is particularly effective if combined with server location adjustment for optimal connectivity. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.